Is it possible that the money resting in your pocket vibrates with an energy unseen, influencing destinies and shaping the world's hidden rhythms? What ancient mysteries might these silent notes and gleaming coins carry? Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we decode the enigmatic powers behind the currency that flows through our lives. Discover a realm where wealth transcends the tangible, where finance fuses with the arcane. You're at the gateway to Mystica Finance. If you're seeking wisdom in wealth or the secrets behind the sterling, make sure to subscribe and join our journey. Like and share to unravel the financial mysteries of the ages with us. Your adventure into the esoteric aspects of economics starts now. Unveiling the concept money, a mere currency, a simple tool for trade. No. There's a saga hidden in its silence, a narrative nestled in its numbers, as ancient as the barter systems rooted in the cradle of civilization, and as modern as the digital currencies birthing in the silicon heart of technology. Money whispers tales of power, passion, and prosperity. In every coin exchanged, every bill transferred, there's an echo of interactions, a residue of human connection. Here at Mystica Finance, we peel back the layers of currency to reveal the core of its true essence, a catalyst for human ambition and a keeper of collective aspirations. The mystical origins of money. Traverse with me back to a time when coins were cast in temples, and prosperity was a blessing from the divine. Each transaction was a ritual, each offering a pledge to the gods. Money wasn't merely a tool. It was a talisman, charged with the hopes of civilizations and the fervor of human spirit. The ancients didn't just spend, they sewed their coins into the fabric of their fate, hoping to harvest abundance. In the gleam of gold and silver, they saw the sun and moon's reflections, the cosmic dance of wealth. Today's Mystica Finance invites you on a journey to rediscover this lost connection, to harness the mystical lineage of prosperity that money carries within its core, binding us to our ancestors and the timeless quest for fortune. Money's power in today's world. Fast forward to the present, where skyscrapers tower like the temples of old and digital transactions zip through the ether. Money has donned new cloaks, from tangible coins to figures on screens, from banknotes to blockchain. Yet, despite this evolution, the essence remains. Money continues to embody a force, an energy that influences the tides of our lives. In the heart of the city's bustle, in the silence of online transfers, there lies a rhythm, a modern mantra of commerce and trade. What is it that money, in its essence, alters in the undercurrents of society? How does it shape dreams, drive innovations, and dictate the flow of human connection? As your guide, I will lead you through the maze of markets, the ebb and flow of economies, to reveal how today's monetary energy is an echo of the ancient, a whisper of the mystical in every swipe, tap, and click. Stay with me as we decode the enigma of money's enduring legacy and its impact on our everyday lives. The personal connection to money's energy. Now, let's turn the mirror inwards and ask ourselves a compelling question. What does money mean to you? Is it merely a means to an end, a necessary element in a cycle of transactions? Or could it be that there's a hidden layer to this economic engine, one that resonates with the core of who we are and what we value? We believe that money is a reflection of our personal energy, a measure of our time, and a mirror to our values. Every pound you spend carries with it a fragment of your story, your passions, your energies. Whether you're investing in a dream, supporting a cause, or securing your future, each decision is a testament to your personal narrative in this vast economic cosmos. Consider this: when you choose where to allocate your funds, you're not just moving money, you're redirecting energy, shaping your reality, and on a grander scale, the collective experience. This is where finance and philosophy entwine, where every ledger entry and budget plan is a line in the poetry of your life's journey. So, as we navigate through the practical tips and strategies here at Mystica Finance, we also embark on a deeper exploration, understanding how the energy of money aligns with our own, how it moves with us, and sometimes how it moves us. Keep watching as we delve into the practicalities, but also the profound connections between our finances and our inner worlds. Deciphering the energy of transactions. In every corner of our lives, money changes hands, symbolizing power, freedom, and sometimes a touch of greed. But let's delve deeper. Imagine every transaction you make, whether it's a rushed morning coffee or a thoughtful birthday gift, as a transfer of energy. This isn't just commerce. It's the transfer of intention and personal values. Consider the last item you purchased. Was it a necessity or a desire? Did it make you feel secure, joyful, or perhaps guilty? Each of these emotions imbues the money with a distinct energy, reflecting our inner state and shaping our financial landscape. As we navigate through the bustling market of modern life, every spending decision is a reflection of our personal narrative, a subplot in the grand tale of our economic journey. At Mystica Finance, we don't just follow the money, we follow the profound stories it tells and the silent energies it carries. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the hidden realms where money and mysticism meet. Understanding money's modern alchemy. So now we grasp that money is a vessel for our intentions. Let's contemplate its modern alchemy. The digital age has transformed it into numbers on screens, cryptocurrency in wallets, intangible, yet more powerful than ever. This is the new sorcery of finance, invisible transactions moving at the speed of light, carrying with them the weight of our hopes and fears. This digitization isn't a mere change in form. It's a revolution in the essence of money's flow, altering how we perceive its value and significance. Our digital spendings and saving, are they not modern-day spells, casting our votes for the world we wish to manifest? As we swipe and click, we're not just transferring digits, we're weaving patterns into the vast tapestry of the economy. Our collective clicks and taps are the pulses that drive the market's heart. Each beat a story of human desire, ambition, and sometimes the darker shades of need. Pause for a moment. Reflect on the digital footprints you've left in the economic sands. How have your online purchases and investments shaped the narrative of your financial life? And how do they echo in the wider world? Money's alchemy lies in its ability to transform the intangible, our digital actions, into tangible outcomes that touch every aspect of our lives. The currency of connection. Money and human relations. Now let's shift our gaze from the solitary act of spending to the wider realm of human connection. Money isn't just currency, it's a language that articulates the bonds between us. Through it, we express gratitude, support, even love, and sometimes the complexities of obligation and power. Consider the last gift you purchased, the donation you made, or the investment in a friend's venture. These aren't mere transactions, they're declarations of trust, belief, and relationships. They're the financial threads weaving through the fabric of our social tapestry. Every dollar, euro, pound, or yen exchanged is a conversation, a dialogue that defines the nuances of our interdependence. Money in this light becomes a dance of reciprocity, a push and pull that shapes communities, forges alliances, and even ignites conflict. Within this intricate dance, our choices matter. They reverberate beyond the immediate exchange, shaping the narrative of who we are and the type of society we contribute to. So the next time you're about to spend, invest, or donate, remember, you're not just moving money. You're nurturing the connections that bind us, the unseen yet potent ties that define our collective human story. The power of intent, mindfulness in money matters. Our journey through the ethereal aspects of finance now brings us to a profound element, the power of intent. Money, directed with conscious intent, carries a momentum that can turn ripples into waves across the economic ocean. Imagine your income as more than a stream of digits in your bank account, but as a potential force for change. Each financial decision you make, from the mundane to the monumental, is imbued with intention. A mindful approach to these decisions can transform the very nature of your transactions. Whether it's choosing to buy from businesses that value sustainability, supporting local artisans, or investing in companies that prioritize employee welfare, your money becomes an extension of your values, a vote for the world you wish to see. In this light, The act of spending is elevated from a mere transfer of funds to a statement of purpose. And when we align our financial actions with our deepest convictions, we harness the true power of money, its ability to shape our reality and reflect our innermost aspirations. As you stand at the crossroads of countless monetary choices, ask yourself, what is the intent behind my next purchase? Let that question guide you towards a more mindful, intentional engagement with the currency that fuels our lives and dreams. As we draw this journey to a close, remember, money is not merely a tool for transaction. It's a vessel for our collective consciousness. It's an ancient stream of energy that connects us all, from past to present, and flows into the future we're creating together. Take a moment to reflect on the role money plays in your life. How does it align with your personal journey and the legacy you want to leave? The way we choose to interact with money can indeed write a story of purpose, progress, and possibility. I invite you to join us at Mystica Finance as we continue to explore these profound themes. Together, let's embark on a quest for wisdom, weaving financial understanding with a tapestry of mystical insight. And if today's exploration resonated with you, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. What mysteries would you like to unravel next? Your insights inspire our path forward. Until we meet again, may you find richness not just in wealth, but in the wisdom that guides its flow. Farewell, fellow travelers of the mystic path.